Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to open TikTok on mute. If you're looking to browse TikTok without loud audio interruptions, then enabling the Open TikTok on mute feature is a convenient option. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of TikTok, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your profile, click on the three horizontal menu button at the top right, and then in the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Playback. Now under Playback, look for Open TikTok on Mute button and tap on the toggle button right next to it. This setting ensures that video will be muted by default when you open the app until you tap the screen or use your device's volume buttons to unmute. If you experience issues with the volume automatically adjusting, consider turning off the auto volume adjustment button, and that's it. That's how you can enjoy a quieter TikTok experience, perfect for browsing in public places or when you prefer to watch videos without sound. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.